What's happening, my people? Just another quick one with how much height does it add. We've got the New Balance 2002R. I always get questions, how much height does a sneaker add? I can never answer it correctly, but I'm going to be showing everyone exactly how much height it adds. Not exactly because, you know, I'm not expert. I'm not cutting them in half to actually measure. I'm just using this little digital caliper to check. So this heel, to be honest, is quite decent. It is a bit angled, but we can always go by around like a quarter of the way through. So this sneaker adds, or will add, roughly 40 millimeters, 4 centimeters of height to someone. If we put that in inches, so 1.58 inches, which is not too bad. It does add a bit of height, yes, definitely. It's not going to be 100% accurate because of size. So this sneaker is a size 10.5. So yeah, definitely adds about 40 centimeters on the heel height. So that's at 1.58 inches, roughly. I got it all out of the shot, but yeah, 1.58 inches roughly. 40, let's just say 40 millimeters, 4 centimeters easily. It adds on to the heel. So yeah, quite a decent height. Very cushioned shoe. As always, full review on foot, etc. will be on the channel. Let me know if you like videos like this, if it's beneficial. I always do get the questions, so I thought I might as well do it. If no one likes the videos, I'll stop. But yeah, check out all the content and check out the playlist of how much height does it add, etc, etc. And take care, my people.